Remove makeup. Clean face and neck area with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply massage cream evenly all over the face and neck and gently massage the treatment sites 3 times. Relaxation with vibration massager. Slowly stroke from mouth corner to temple, nose wind to temple 3 to 5 times. You'll feel a slight vibration on the skin which will be quite soothing and comfortable. Massage can help boost blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, and relieve fatigue. Massage the temples and forehead. Do the same on the other side. Slowly stroke back and forth along 大阪经 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Wash face clean. Fill in the hydro spray bottle with purified water. Hydrating with oxygen spray handle. Hydro spray handle injects oxygen and water into the skin and the dermis layer through high pressure. It can also be used as a second cleanser. Move in circular motions from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to temple in parallel lines 2 times. Do the same on the other side. Move in circular motions towards hairline on forehead, then from nose winds to forehead 2 times. Inform the customer to adjust breathing when operating around nose. Make sure the mist does not get into the customer's eyes, nose, or ears. Move from one side of the cheek to another, passing Photon as the middle point, then wipe off the remaining water. Radar V-line shaping. Always avoid the danger zone. Avoid the temples. Treat 1 finger below hairline on forehead, 2 fingers away from the ear on cheeks. Avoid the glabella, nose ridge, and chin. Treat 1 finger away from mouth corners on cheeks. Avoid the neck and thyroid gland. Apply gel on half side of the face. Avoid the danger zone and apply gel on intended treatment area only. Put on disposable gloves. Skin tightening and lifting with radar shaping handles. Radar V-line shaping helps tighten skin, remove crow's feet, nasolabial folds, and forehead wrinkles, etc. 4.5mm radar V-line shaping. Move from beneath mouth corner to beneath the temple, mouth corner to beneath the temple, nose wind to beneath the temple 3 to 5 times. Avoid the temples and make sure there's 1 finger space from hairline. Move from beneath mouth corner to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to beneath the temple 3 to 5 times. Avoid the temple and make sure there's 2 fingers space from ear and 1 finger away from mouth corner. Apply gel evenly all over the forehead. Lift towards hairline on forehead. Avoid between eyebrows and temple, make sure there's 1 finger space from hairline. Do the same on the other side. Avoid between eyebrows, nose ridge, chin, temple. It takes around 20 minutes or so to cover the entire face. Do not receive the treatment for those who are pregnant or have heart disease, malignant tumor, infectious disease, or have implants inside their bodies. 3.0mm radar V-line shaping. Move from beneath mouth corner to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind beneath the temple 3 to 5 times. Always avoid the danger zone. Lift from jawline towards cheek 3 to 5 times. Move at an even speed. Do not stay at one spot for more than 3 seconds to avoid burning the skin. Move in small circular motions from beneath the mouth corner to beneath the temple 3 to 5 times. Move in small circular motions on forehead 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. It takes around 20 minutes to cover the entire face. Wash face clean. Apply toner. Repair skin with cold hammer. Cold hammer helps calm skin, ease sensitive skin, shrink pore, and boost nutrients absorption. Move the probe slowly back and forth from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to temple 3 to 5 times. You may feel it's a bit cold during the process. It helps address skin issues like redness, swelling, fever, and sensitive skin. Move up and down on the nose. Do the same on the other side. Move slowly back and forth from forehead to hairline 3 to 5 times. Apply sheet mask and LED phantom mask. LED light helps diminish bacteria and inflammation, hydrate skin, improve acne-prone skin, and fade pigmentation. There's consecutive monocolor mode and intermittent multicolor mode. Select the mode based on one's own skin. Wait for 15 minutes, remove the masks, and wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.